Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool. As you can see, I have some improvised SD card and SIM card slot injector. Then you will have to find a slot which is located here on at this border of your device. So what you have to do is to put your improvised or non-improvised tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out and you can eject it with your bare hands. And here at the bottom you can put your SD card, and here at the top your SIM card, and then just put it just like this back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter PIN code. Wow, that's unusual. Okay, let's not enter PIN code, but you could see that SIM card is read. Let's just eject it. Go away. And as you can see, there's a notification that SD card inserted, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.